Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay mag-solve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem, no? So, basahin natin. Find the least value of k for the equation 2k equals 2 times quantity x minus 1 squared plus 5 to have a real root. Kung gusto nyong pag-isipan at i-solve, pwede nyo i-pause yung video tapos balik kayo mamaya para makita nyo kung tama ba yung sagot nyo. Okay, so i-pause nyo na ngayon. Alright, so itutuloy na natin yung ating solution, no? So alam natin that this is a quadratic equation, no? Alam natin kasi pag ini-square mo yung binomial na yan, magiging x squared siya. Meaning yung degree ng polynomial expression mo ay 2, no? So specifically, quadratic equation siya. Alam din natin that for a quadratic equation to have a real root, dapat yung kanyang discriminant ay greater than or equal to 0. And yung discriminant natin ay b squared minus 4ac. So dapat greater than or equal to 0 yan. Ibig sabihin, hahanapin lang natin yung value ng a, b, tsaka c. No? And we can do that by solving and simplifying the equation. So 2k equals 2 times quantity x minus 1 squared plus 5. So magiging 2k equals 2. Pag in-squared natin to magiging x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then plus 5. And then we have 2k equals, by distributive property, we have 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 plus 5, which means that 2k is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 7. And subtracting 2k from both sides, we have 0 equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 7 minus 2k. So, ano yung a natin? Yung a natin, yung kasama no x squared. So, 2 yan. So, a natin ay 2. Ang b natin ay negative 4. No? So, at ang c natin ay yung 7 minus 2k. So, b squared, no? b squared minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Yun yung sabi natin kanina. Ito yun, di ba? So, substitute natin yung b. b is negative 4 squared. b natin sa taas, no? Minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 7 minus 2k. It's greater than or equal to 0. So this is 16 minus 8 times 7 minus 2k. It's greater than or equal to 0. Which means that 16 minus 56 plus 16k is greater than or equal to 0. So this is negative 40 plus 16k is greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus 56 is negative 40, no? Which means that 16k is greater than or equal to 40. And k is greater than or equal to 40 divided by 16. Paano simplified form? K is greater than or equal to. If you divide 8, yung numerator magiging 5, denominator magiging 2. So K is greater than or equal to 5 halves. Tama, no? 5 halves. Pero ang hinahanap natin ay pinaka maliit na value ng K. So K must be equal to 5 halves. Yun yung pinakamaliit. Yun yung pinakasagot natin. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating math challenge. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng maraming post, no? Medyo hihirapan natin ng konti yung mga problems kasi mukhang wala naman masyado nanonood na elementary dito sa Siplayan. I'll see you in the next video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe and share the video with your friends. See you!